In this program, we wanted to take our old special calculator, which was just a bunch of for loops, to convert it to be more of a bunch of functions doing the different logic. I'm here providing list of potential functions that you can use, like print menu, sum 1 to n, and so on. By the way, when our program is a bunch of functions, we call it a procedural programming language, like Python can be used to do that. Later, we will learn with object-oriented programming how to think of things in terms of objects rather than bunch of function in the global scope. Let's see the code. I'm first having here a print menu function, which is like we used to do before, having the for loops, verifying the user, and as long as the user didn't input the function, we just keep going. So this is the first function as part of the logic here. The second function is sum 1 to n. I am moving the function to be here, and we just moved its logic to read the number, sum the number, and print the result. In the third function, I preferred two things. I preferred to take the whole handling of the division in a separate function, because it seems there is a lot of logic about it. So here we are checking if the number of 0, we are computing the result equal none. We can also return directly none from here. Otherwise, based on which operator we are computing the result. So now the function divide doesn't do any printing. It's just either returning none or returning some computation. And here is our main logic in the expression function, where we read the number, operation number, convert to the two numbers, and then if the operation is simple, we just do it. Otherwise, if it is a division or the integer division, we call our function to get the result. We're now saying if result don't equal none, then we are just printing it. Otherwise, we are using it. And here is the interface which represents our front end. We have a while loop. We print the menu, take a choice. Based on the choice, we make a call to the target function. In the future, you will notice here this is a bit unhappy with that, giving you some condition. In the future, we will learn that it shouldn't be wrote like you shouldn't write it this way. You wrote something like what result is not none. Something that's much better syntax. But for now, let's keep it simple. That's all.